Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change background color in Photopea. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Photopea and then you need to click on New Project. And I'm going to select FP Shared Image. Then you need to click on Create. And then you need to click on New Layer. And then you need to click on Layer, and here you need to click on new fill layer. Then you need to click on color fill. You can select gradient fill or pattern fill, so I'm going to click color fill. So I'm going to choose color of my choice, then I need to click on OK. And if you want to change the color, you simply need to click here twice and you can change color according to your choice. So you can see that. So by following these steps, you can easily change background color in Photopea. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.